How to handle a hyperactive child? Is your child hyperactive? If you answer in the affirmative, we can understand how difficult it must be for you. A hyperactive child may appear unstable and will have a hard time paying attention or sitting still. Most often, they are also impulsive, which can lead to poor decisions and trouble. If hyperactive children aren't tamed well, they may face several challenges when they grow up. Your child will have a hard time in school, may show behavioral problems, and fetch poor grades. There is no straightforward answer on how you should handle a hyperactive child. However, by following a few tips, you can make life simpler for yourself and your child. In today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about how to handle a hyperactive child. Watch till the end of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. How to spot hyperactivity in children. Hyperactive kids have a difficult time sitting quietly and tend to move around a lot. Hyperactive kids talk too much and interrupt others. Hyperactive kids have difficulty in listening and following instructions. They are impulsive, may come off as overenthusiastic, and seem to have limitless energy. Hyperactive kids can be swarmed by emotions such as anxiety, frustration, anger, and sadness. Remember that even if you have spotted hyperactivity in your child's behavior, don't rush to any conclusion. It is important to get a professional diagnosis from a licensed child psychologist. How to handle a hyperactive child? Hyperactivity has to do with activities related to the brain. Therefore, the best way to handle a hyperactive child is to try and get them to stick to a routine and relax. Here are a few tips that will help you handle a hyperactive child. Number 1. Establish order in the house. Parents these days like to be flexible with rules and order in their household. This is completely fine unless you are dealing with a hyperactive child. Hyperactive children don't do well with a laid-back parenting style. They need rules and order. Try to keep the household running in a clear and ordered manner. Establish a routine for your child and make them adhere to that. This way your child will learn how to behave in controlled environments such as in a school and learn what's expected of them. Number 2. Channelize their energy into productive tasks. Hyperactive kids are blessed with limitless energy, and the best way to tame that energy is to channelize it into productive things. Invest in lessons and activities that will help your child utilize their energy physically and mentally. Get your children activity boxes that focus on play-based activities. This will not only boost their memory and concentration skills, but also help them manage their unpredictable bouts of energy. You can also enroll your kid into group classes, such as a Zumba lesson for kids, a dance class, abacus, drama, and so on. Number 3. Break down instructions. Hyperactive children find it difficult to follow instructions. So if you are finding it challenging to make your child follow instructions, break those instructions into smaller ones. Present the instructions in smaller and simpler chunks and have your child repeat those instructions back to you. Another effective way to make your child follow instructions is to write them down. Create a to-do list for your child. This will help your child to focus on one task at a time and get things done. Number 4. Minimize distractions. Hyperactive kids get distracted a lot. As a result, they can't focus on their homework and other things. Make sure you minimize distractions by seating your child in an area that is comfortable yet away from doors and windows. Don't leave your child's phone or toys around, but you need to make sure that your child understands he is not being punished. Therefore, create a warm and inviting space with minimum distractions. Number 5. Ask them to journal. Hyperactive children have a hard time coping with emotions. To make your child emotionally stable and sound, get them to the journal. Make them write 1 page a day about their feelings or how the day went. Allow your child the freedom to write whatever they want and however they want it. Journalizing is an incredible habit that should be inculcated from a young age. Number 6. Provide unstructured time. Hyperactive kids grow in unstructured settings when they can do whatever they wish to. Even though it is incredibly important to follow a routine, order, and rules with a hyperactive child, they need their free time too. Allot 1 hour every day where your child gets to be him or her. They can utilize this time to do anything they want, be it running around the house, drawing, or playing with siblings. Number 7. Make them relax. Last but not least, you need to help your child relax. Hyperactive children are anxious and frustrated. Thus, they need relaxation activities. Take them out to green surroundings, try meditation or breathing techniques, etc. Just let them relax the way they want to. In the end, remember to always be patient with your child. Don't get frustrated and angry dealing with them or punish them.